There are 6 veggies that pose a particular risk to those who have chronic renal disease. Have you ever questioned why your chronic kidney disease, CKD, keeps getting worse or, at best, doesn't get better even when you consume a diet rich in clean, healthful foods like fruits and vegetables? Do you wonder if eating those supposedly healthful foods may be aggravating your condition? The National Kidney Foundation estimates that over 37 million Americans have chronic kidney disease, CKD, with a large proportion experiencing fast deterioration as a result of nutrition. Studies reveal that several veggies, which are generally thought to be healthful, might negatively affect kidney function by elevating potassium and phosphorus levels, which increases the risk of heart issues and renal failure. According to a research published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases, one of the main reasons why chronic kidney disease, CKD, progresses in the United States is difficulties connected to food. This movie is just what you need if you want to shield your loved ones from needless pain and avoid becoming just another statistic. We'll tell you which veggies to avoid and which ones are subtly harming your health. Now, let's get started and discuss the first vegetable you should be aware of. 1. Potatoes. A mainstay of American meals, potatoes are frequently praised for their nutritive value and adaptability. But under their innocent exterior is a threat that is hidden: solanine. Naturally present in potatoes, especially green or sprouting ones, is a glycoalkaloid called solanine. It is well recognized that this hazardous substance has the ability to seriously harm people's health, particularly chronic kidney disease, CKD. According to scientific studies, solanine interferes with cellular processes by blocking cholinesterase, an enzyme necessary for healthy nervous system operation. Large doses of solanine can cause neurological symptoms as well as gastrointestinal problems. Even more concerning, it has been connected to chronic kidney impairment. According to a National Institutes of Health research, exposure to solanine can cause inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, which can worsen chronic kidney disease, CKD. The study found that renal function might gradually decline by 30% as a result of long-term exposure to solanine. There are serious long-term effects from eating potatoes high in solanine. Kidney inflammation brought on by prolonged exposure might make it harder for the organ to remove waste from the circulation. Because of this compromised filtration, toxins may build up in the body and eventually cause end-stage renal disease, which necessitates kidney transplantation or dialysis to survive. Imagine the seemingly harmless potato that appears in so many of our meals every day gradually damaging our kidneys. Our continued use of baked potatoes, mashed potatoes, and French fries may be unintentionally contributing to the development of chronic kidney disease. How can we defend against a cunning foe like this? Examining the hue and state of our potatoes before they are placed on our plates may hold the key to finding the solution. In relation to colors, have you ever been curious by the vivid green color that certain plants display? 2. Lettuce. Many people are unaware of a darker secret linked with lettuce, which is nitrate pollution. Lettuce is generally associated with freshness and health. While nitrates are naturally occurring substances in many leafy greens, the amounts in lettuce can be especially dangerous. This is particularly true for lettuce that is cultivated commercially, as it is frequently subjected to high nitrate fertilizer levels. While nitrates by themselves don't cause harm, they can transform into nitrites and then into nitroso compounds, which are proven carcinogens once they enter the human body. Kidney health might suffer greatly when these substances are present in the blood. The National Institutes of Health's research has demonstrated the connection between a high nitrate diet and a higher risk of chronic kidney disease. These substances have the ability to cause inflammation and oxidative stress in kidney tissues, which can eventually lead to renal failure. Frequent use of lettuce high in nitrates can cause chronic kidney stress, which over time can lead to a gradual loss in renal function. This can show up as chronic kidney disease, CKD, with symptoms varying from high blood pressure and exhaustion to serious side effects, including anemia and heart problems. We may unintentionally be raising our risk of chronic kidney disease, CKD, when we work to eat more salads in an effort to improve our health. Is it possible that we are being deceived by the very greens we trust? And have you ever found yourself enthralled with the distinct aroma of asparagus? 3. Asparagus. Although asparagus is well known for its unique flavor and health advantages, asparagine poses a serious risk to renal health. This amino acid, which is prevalent in asparagus, can become toxic in high concentrations. Ammonia and aspartic acid are produced by the body during the metabolism of asparagine. Although ammonia is a normal consequence of digesting proteins, excessive amounts can be harmful, especially to the kidneys. The kidneys are essential in the removal of ammonia from the blood. Nevertheless, an excess of this substance can cause harm to the kidneys. According to a research in the Journal of Renal Nutrition, consuming too much asparagine can raise ammonia levels in the body, which can lead to oxidative stress and inflammation in the tissues of the kidneys. According to the study, chronic exposure to high ammonia levels can cause a 40% decline in kidney function over a number of years. Large-scale asparagus consumption has detrimental long-term effects. Chronic exposure to elevated ammonia levels can cause nephrotoxicity, a disorder that impairs the kidney's ability to filter waste products. This may lead to a buildup of waste products in the blood, which may manifest as weariness, edema, and elevated blood pressure. Prolonged harm can eventually lead to chronic kidney disease, which can have serious health consequences. And now you believe that an earthy, sweet vegetable may hold the key to safeguarding our kidneys. 4. Carrots. Carrots are renowned for their nutritional worth due to their bright orange color and naturally pleasant flavor. High quantities of carotenoids, however, pose a hidden risk to this otherwise innocuous crop. Although beta-carotene and other carotenoids are usually good for you, consuming too much of them can be dangerous, especially if you already have renal disease. Antioxidants called carotenoids are essential for immune system support and overall health maintenance. But if taken in excess, they can cause hypercarotenemia, a disorder marked by an overabundance of carotenoids in the body. The kidneys may suffer as a result of this. High levels of carotenoids, particularly in those with impaired renal function, may have a role in the development of oxalate crystals in the kidneys, according to research published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition. According to the study, consuming too much carotenoids might raise the risk of kidney stones by 25%. Overindulging in carrots' carotenoid content can have detrimental long-term effects. Kidney stones can result from the buildup of oxalate crystals, which can hurt, infect, and harm the kidneys. Renal function gradually declining over time is the hallmark of chronic kidney disease, CKD, which is brought on by recurring kidney stones. Severe stomach discomfort, blood in the urine, and recurrent UTIS are possible symptoms. And now, let's come to a famous vegetable with high iron content, a fresh green color used in many salads but causing silent effects on the kidneys. 5. Spinach. Although spinach is widely recognized for its many health advantages and high iron content, its high oxalate concentration also presents a serious risk to renal health. Because spinach has a high oxalate content, kidney stones may result from eating spinach. In the kidneys, oxalate's natural substances bond with calcium to produce calcium oxalate crystals. These crystals have the ability to develop into kidney stones, which can cause excruciating discomfort and even chronic kidney damage. According to a National Kidney Foundation research, eating a lot of spinach might raise your risk of kidney stones by 50%. Kidney function can be gradually compromised by chronic inflammation and scarring brought on by recurrent kidney stone development. Concerning are the long-term effects of eating spinach that is high in oxalate. Chronic kidney damage brought on by recurring urinary tract infections, hematuria, blood in the urine, and excruciating pain are indications of frequent kidney stone development. This chronic stress can eventually cause CKD, which has serious health consequences. And last, do you believe that a vivid purple vegetable holds the secret to kidney health? 6. Beets. High potassium levels in beets may be a hidden concern to kidney health despite their bright color and many health advantages. Although potassium is necessary for healthy heart and muscle function, too much of it can be harmful, especially to those who have impaired renal function. The kidneys are in charge of keeping the body's potassium levels in check, but excessive potassium levels can overburden them and cause hyperkalemia, a disorder marked by dangerously elevated potassium levels in the blood. Severe health problems such as cardiac arrhythmias, muscular weakness, and even cardiac arrest can be brought on by hyperkalemia. A research published in the Kidney International Journal found that eating a lot of potassium-rich foods, such as beets, can raise a person with chronic kidney disease's risk of hyperkalemia by 30%. The long-term effects of eating beets high in potassium are concerning. The kidney's capacity to filter out excess potassium can be hampered by chronic renal stress brought on by exposure to excessive potassium levels. This can lead to chronic kidney disease, CKD, which manifests as extreme weariness, cramping in the muscles, and serious problems with the heart. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more crucial health insights. If you're struggling to manage your health or have questions, please leave a comment below. We're here to support you every step of the way, and we welcome any useful information you'd like to share with our community. To summarize, the wrong choices when it comes to your diet can have severe repercussions, especially if you have chronic kidney disease. Ignoring the risks of certain vegetables could lead to serious health complications and make managing your condition even more challenging. While you're waiting for our next video, click the link on the screen to check out more of our videos about foods that can harm or heal your kidneys.